What's up, everyone? It's your boy Osito and his adventures, and today we're back with with another banger. If it's your first time here, let me introduce myself. My name is Isaac, better known as Osito and his adventures, and in this channel we talk auto detailing. I show you the in and outs about how I run my business. We do product reviews and we talk about life. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit the bell notification, but first you gotta subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. Now that we got that out the way, let's get straight into the video. Guys, today I had the day off, but for a purpose. I needed to organize my van and do a few things that, you know, be needing to be done. With that being said, if you guys can see right here, we have an open gap. Why is that, Osito? Well, it's because my air hose by Flexzilla decided to rip on me, and that's the second time. So you know, and when it comes to warranties, you know, the first time it worked out smoothly. The second one, I'm not sure what happened, right? I think they took forever, so I discarded that, and then I ended up purchasing my third one. Had it here, lasted for about 8 months or so, and now you know, I've been running without it for about a week because it decided to rip on me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hold off because I did have this one just as a backup, but I was like, it's time. With that being said, after that we're gonna switch out these hubcaps. You know, I've been rolling, they're good. I was gonna originally repaint them, you know, finish them off, clear coat everything, but one day I was driving and I got a flat tire, and when I got the flat tire I ended up losing basically my hubcap, so now we'll have to replace that. So with that being said, guys, I won't hold you up too much. Let's just go on and get organizing, and you know, at the end I'll give you a little breakdown of everything that's new in my detailing rig and things that been hanging and lasting. So I think the first things I'm gonna do is just remove everything. That way I can have an open canvas to work with. Use your knees, my fellas. So back then, I used to have the 4.5 rigid air compressor, right? I even made a video when I got it, and you know, I had to replace it. It gave out after a year. So I ended up getting this Fortress, and this thing is a tank, but as you guys can see, it's a tank, it's big. So now the issue that I'm having is that this hits on top of here, as you guys can see right there. It's causing damage. So my goal is to hopefully, you know, get rid of this, push basically this more over here along with my air compressor, just allow them to be pushed as back as possible. That way we can have all this, basically the wheels on top of the generator instead of for it won't be hitting that. So as you guys can see, guys, I work with my detailing rig and I care about it a lot, but sometimes things happen. And one day I had I was too lazy. I should have pulled this back into the vehicle, and somehow it got caught up with the tire, and that's the end result. So let's remove these. All right, guys, about 30 minutes later, we got these on here. Not the best, right? But will work. We have enough room right here so that this, basically what we'll do is we'll pull them out this way, same thing this way, and hopefully it doesn't hit there as much. If needed, I could always just like put a little strap somehow from somewhere, probably put it like somewhere right here and put it right here so it's not banging that side over there. But overall, kind of good. I ain't gonna lie, that thing's a beast, but it does take up a lot of real estate. With that being said, we also put these on here just to be able to grab and go whenever we're out here. You know, first thing, basically, you'll turn on your generator, grab your gloves, and you're set to go. So let me go on and put, whoa, I almost killed myself. Look at my shoelaces, really? So let me go on and put the generator back in and see how's the fit. Right, guys, we are basically done, but for some reason a simple task always turns into a hard task for Osito. Bro, I literally put the wrong attachment and I'm trying to remove it, and look, man, we're scraping through it, bro. And honestly, there's been a few reels where I put my own attachment and I literally scrape it down to the point where I can't remove the couplers no more. So man, I'm gonna just go see if I could get some help, if somebody could just remove it for me, bro. You know, I got some wrenches, I got it, I try to do everything properly, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So let's just see if we could get some help from the professionals, if we can find anyone, because it's a Sunday. So let's see. All right, guys, so I came to the mechanic right here with Elias. Hopefully they can remove that fitting and put this one, man, because I'm trying to get back to work tomorrow with the new air hose, and hopefully there's no issues. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we got it on there. Whew, Osito was gonna cry already. All right, now that we got the air compressor ready to go, it's time to get rid of those funky hubcaps. As you guys can see, the van's a little dirty, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go on and put the hubcaps, because in a few days I'm gonna give it a wash, because I do have a slight surprise for you guys. As you guys can see, guys, we have these, which I thought looked very similar to those. So here, there was many different options, but I wanted something to make it look its age. So I feel like this still gives it that older, you know, older granny van. So let's go on and set it up. Hopefully Osito doesn't struggle with this too. You know, Osito struggling with it. Man, I should really clean these wheels first, huh? I gotta work tomorrow though, guys, so it's okay. I'm not gonna stress myself over that right now. Here, let's just do it careful. We don't want to break anything. I got them dirty. Okay, that gives. All right, my detailing grizzlies, as you guys can see, today we got another update on the detailing rig. We are right here in front of KWT right here in Sunnyvale, California. Well, it's actually Mountain View, but you can find us right here, right in the border, man. And they told me, hey, Osito, go on and slide through with the van. We're gonna hook it up, put your, you know, basically we're gonna put your information with the number, etc., man. So I'm super excited and looking forward to it, bro. We'll keep you guys updated. and we'll show you guys how it looks. I recently put on these new hubcaps, guys. I really needed some new hubcaps. You guys know I was missing the ones in the front. So with this, man, it's gonna tie it all together. Later, I'm either gonna give it a nice little wash and we're good for work tomorrow, man. But man, I'm super excited, bro. I'm super blessed, man.
Exactly same phone.
Man.
But I couldn't find, but
this is more, yeah, this is perfect, man.
Yeah.
You know, at the end of the day, it's as long as they know what we do, you know, they get the idea, you know, and man, huge help, bro. Sheesh. You know, they specialize in detailing right here, guys. But, you know, for all your vinyl detailing, for all your vinyl needs, they can definitely get you taken care of. If you want to put your IG name, whatever, they can help you with anything, man. Look at that. At least a tip for you and your guy.
Okay, man. I don't do this one for man.
Thank you, guys. Look, at least for you guys can share a drink, something to eat later. Here you go, brother. No, here. I appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Whew. As you guys can see, bro, we just got gifted these vinyl logos on the van, bro. They did not want to charge me anything, but at least a tip, right, man? Shout out to KWT in the Bay area. Here, let me fix this, bro. Let me get serious on you guys, man. I really appreciate everyone that supports me in my detailing journey, that sticks around, supports, just nothing but love, man. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys, bro. You guys have a great one, okay? Thank you, bro.
As soon as I'm done that, I'm gonna fix it.
Sounds good.
It doesn't take much time.
Hey, and I really do appreciate you guys, man. You too, bro. Thank you guys a lot, okay? It's a blessing from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate that a lot. Man, the only thing I wanted to do was wash the van so we could be ready for work tomorrow, but he said give it 3 days before we can wash it, bro. Damn. Hell yeah. I'm juiced, man. You know, you just don't get my excitement, bro. It's the little things in life, bro. Just one step at a time. I freaking swear I can't express it enough, bro. Just one step at a time. Don't listen to those people that say, go get that van and payments. Don't listen to everybody knocking your van, knocking your dreams. People saying you can't do it. People saying that you need debt, that you need to get it in payments. Man, just trust the process, my brother. I can't express how happy I am. And, you know, it's like, no matter what, bro, there's gonna be doors that are always gonna open up for you. Whenever you're feeling like all the doors closed up, try your key. You have a key, man. Unlock that door. Slowly but surely, bro, we're gonna do it. With that being said, I was gonna wash the van and take care of the headlights, but you know, I think we're gonna save that for a different video. For right now, I'm excited, I'm blessed. I'm gonna go show the van to the fam, let them see what they did, hook me up with. And man, guys, catch you guys on the next video. Remember, guys, every day is a blessing and every struggle is a lesson. So don't be what? Don't be stressing.